Okay. Do good, do great, and they talk bad on you. No need, no face, cause they're not factual. I won't stay too long here, I'm just passing through. I might hit the bank and get a bag or two. My mama asked me why you got that cash on you. Second you switch up, they might get mad.
Hey guys, welcome to Drift Friends TV. Now I know 2020 we've been a bit quiet. There was, I don't know if you knew, there was a small global pandemic going on, or a plandemic, depending on who you are. But now, fingers crossed, everything should quiet down in 2021 and we're going to hit things fast and hard. We're going to be doing YouTube, our socials are going to be going nuts. We've got builds planned, as many events as we can. Hopefully there'll be a unit coming soon as well, where we can do everything from, you know, all our planned clothing, our videos. We're going to get people to come and visit us, maybe hopefully have a bit of a barnyard going on, you never know. We'll see what plans. But yeah, just the first video, I thought, I've had it, you know, a while, edited it, God, a couple of months ago, and I thought, right, let's start 2021 off with a nice little video, just showing what's been going on with the S14 so far. And obviously, as you know, if you've been following us, we're putting a 3-litre 6-pot from the BMW in there, in the S14 frame. Yeah, so it's just a couple of clips, a few videos. It's only a few minutes long, just to show you where we are, where we're at with the 14. And just stay tuned. Be more on the 14, more on Live 36, more on whatever Mr. Dick Fab has got going on at the time. And yeah, stay tuned for some more info. We're going to be going around to all the championships, as many as we can. Maybe hopefully following a couple of teams in the future, you never know. We'll see. So yeah, stay tuned guys.
Yeah, talking to my mirror like I love you so much. Curving on my critics like I heard you, so what? You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. Tally all the I ever gave on my head. Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. We don't give a that's what they don't understand.
I'm back again like flu season. I broke records while loose leafing. I'm coming down my roof, leaving. Don't give a I don't care. Did the by my lonesome. No wonder now I'm on one. No shortcuts on that long run. All I really want is my share. Get on my God, I told him it's nothing. In the discussion, all them feelings, I throw all my pain on percussion. It's disgusting. I hear them bragging about that they did, and it do not move me, not in the least. They ain't been dropping no seeds in the soil, but swear that you all my spot at the feast. I've been on go mode, showboat, rowboat, wave ride. Cool shorty, too naughty, pool party, wet for the face ride. Annie up, penny down, hand me down, thrift store, old drip. New money, too funny, old shorty, talk about old. I'm on they now, can't get a pass now. I'm a cash cow, keeping it brash now. It's trash now, I'ma spaz out. I've been killing my lows and living on highs. You see in the sky's the proof. You could just see in my eyes that there is no lies. I cannot disguise the truth. I've been duck dog, getting in my new merch, color duck sauce on the new couch with my chucks on. Get the on with that hate. I'm big cool on the small chat, cause I know now that I'm all that. Got a hawk guy on the ball cat. Get the out of my face.
Talking to my mirror like I love you so much. Curving on my critics like I heard you, so what? You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. Tally all the I ever gave on my head. Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me Yeah. Talking to my mirror like I love you so much. Curving on my critics like I heard you, so what? You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. Tell me all the I ever gave on my head. Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me
M54B30 Nissan S14 first start.